Good morning, friends. What's today's date? Today is Wednesday the 31st. And fiance, oh wait, I'm not a fiance right now. Hold on. Let me get my ring. I'm not a fiance right now. Okay, now I'm a fiance. My fiance has been throwing hints at me about like, oh, we ain't got no drinks. Oh, we don't have any chips. We don't have any snacks. Just like here and there, a little subtle, because he know I normally keep groceries in the house. So he been throwing these little subtle hints, and Alpha ain't got no treats at all. And Alpha typically has like three or four snack times throughout the day, because anytime I get hungry for a snack, I give Alpha a snack. So because he ain't had no snacks, he has been like in overtime with like begging for food. So I think everybody in here is just trying to tell me that I need to take my butt to the grocery store. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Basically gonna be a vlog. I'm gonna take y'all with me to the grocery store, and I'm gonna buy all these things that everybody keep throwing shots at me about. So that's what we doing. I'm getting ready now. Okay, so let's do this. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure I got my wallet, because I went all the way. Me and Rico went to go get some frozen yogurt yesterday, and when I went into the froyo place and made my little, my little concoction or whatever, I realized I didn't have my wallet. So then Rico had to pay for it. So it wasn't that bad, really. it was all right, I left my wallet, but it was okay. So now I gotta make sure I got my wallet, which I do. So we got our wallet. Do we have our AirPods? Yeah. Keys. Cellular device. Okay, let's go. Let's turn this light off. Let's go, Alpha. We going to the store. And please don't pay attention to my appearance, y'all, because no, I don't dress up to go to the store. I am not one of them. At least not right now, baby. I'm gonna have on lounge clothes. Let's try it. Okay, that's a little better. You gonna give these people a show, a fashion show? Tell them I dress, honey. I forgot full outfits, y'all. Let's do this, because you are not one of them. One of them regular dogs that can't go in the store, you're not one of them. And we need to show them that you're not one of them. On my Crocs. And y'all, please do not talk about me because my hair is not done. Because you already know that not having your hair done is depressing as it is. So no, my hair is not done. Yes, I'm going out like this, and what about it? Because my number. I am getting my hair done on. Stop pulling me. Alpha, you hot? You hot, baby? Here, let me see. The air coming out of there? He's so cute. He's so cute. Anyways. go ahead and stack the card for him. And let's put this card back. Oh, okay. How you doing? Were we successful? Guess what you got? You got treats. You got treats. I drug you around the store, but you got treats out of it. Yeah. So of course this wouldn't be a complete grocery trip without me rewarding myself with some fast food. So let's go ahead and look up. I would have gotten Taco Bell, but ever since Taco Bell got rid of my Mexican pizza, I don't know, I'm beefing with Taco Bell because they got rid of my Mexican pizza and they got rid of my Alpha, you cannot sit there, baby. See, now you got me running over curves. Oh my goodness. Can I go to the strawberry? I done ran over a curve. My Mexican pizza and my hot Frito burrito. It was like a burrito or a taco. Maybe it was like a soft shell taco, but it had like the hot Fritos in it. It was chef's kiss, and they got rid of it. And now ever since then I've been beefing with them. I've been beefing with them for real. So now I gotta settle for funky McDonald's. Can I have buffalo sauce? Buffalo sauce. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Alright, you guys, I'm so excited. I don't even know if you can see my face because it's so bright out here, but I'm so excited. I'm about to get my package. So let me give y'all a little insight onto what it is that I'm getting that I'm so excited about. So Rico's birthday present to me was something that's been in my Amazon cart for a few days now. That was his birthday gift to me, and basically what it is under cabinet lights. And I had under cabinet lights at first, but they were battery operated, and they took 18 batteries amongst the 3 lights. And ain't nobody about to keep on replacing them batteries. So the ones that Rico ordered for me, the ones that I picked out, they actually are chargeable. So I'm really excited about these. And I'm gonna let y'all see me set it up and everything. So come on, Alpha, let's go get our package. Yes. Here we go. Let's go. Boom. Say Alpha. 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 Say boom. Okay, you're not gonna say boom. So I see the charger. Okay. Okay, so here go one of the lights. This right here is like a magnetic strip. So y'all, this is what I really liked about these lights, because I was like, well, if the lights are hanging up, how are like you gonna charge them whenever they die or whatever? But the magnetic strip is what you stick the command strip to, and you stick the magnetic strip to the command strip and then stick it up on the under the counter or wherever you're gonna put it at. And then because it's magnetic, you can just pop the light off, charge it, and then pop it back onto the magnetic strip. And that is dope. That's what I really like about this. Let's see. The magnetic strip is strong too. Okay, here go the strip. Put that face down. Pop the light out. Oh, and here go the command strips. It comes with the command strips. And here is the light. So I guess the light is here, so it must go up like this. Let me see if it got charged to it already. It does. It does got charged to it. So this is the light, y'all, and this is the strip. Y'all see how that just popped on there? So if you need to charge it, you just pop it off, charge it, and then pop it back on. That is what I really like about this. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Okay, so that's the light. I'm not gonna unpackage all of them. They all look like this one. But I'm gonna install them on this vlog after I go get these groceries out of the car. God, don't want to do this. Alright, you guys, so this is my stuff for my pantry. We're gonna do the pantry first because that one will be a lot quicker than the refrigerator. The refrigerator is gonna take a little bit more time because I'm gonna have to like completely reorganize the refrigerator. So this is what we're looking like. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fill up my things, and then after that we're gonna stock the pantry. So this is the pantry. I've really contemplated taking the pasta noodles out of that because I never use it, and putting cereal into it. I don't know, we'll see. But we're going down. You see I added the cans. Nothing much really happened to this row, but that needs to scoot over because that's making me mad. Oh, I can still see it. Okay, yeah, nothing really happened to this row. We have this row that we restocked. These noodles need to be restocked some more. It's like the Oriental stuff over there, and then we restocked these containers. We have our chips over here. Very, very well stocked. And then you go down, we stocked our pancake mix. We did not stock our rice, but it's fine. We don't need any rice right now. And we restocked our plastics. So, pantry is looking good to go. install our lights. Okay. Y'all see how bright that is? Mm, mm, mm. Yo, that is cute. I'm gonna turn it off for now because we don't want to waste the battery. But I don't want to waste the battery. But let me put the other ones on. Hey. Okay. Let's turn on. Okay. So let's close this. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Now, I ain't gonna lie, that one down there is giving dim. It's giving dim. I probably am gonna have to get a fourth one for sure because that one down there is giving dim. Oh my God, y'all. Let me give y'all a close up because I don't feel like y'all can see for real. Y'all see how that one, everything else is like bling, bam, bright. And then that down there and that up there is like dim. Y'all see what I'm saying? But I'll get a fourth one. But I love these though. I love them. I love them.
we're not done organizing yet because we gotta figure out this bottom part. Oh, y'all can't even see the bottom part. This bottom part right here, we gotta figure it out. But we also have to add our fruit in there, and the fruit is a whole nother thing. So we're gonna leave this how it is for now. Let's go do our fruit.
Alright, you guys, I had to take a little pause because my friends popped up on me. Well, really the pause was because this camera died, but after my camera died, my friends popped up on me, so then it all just got messed up in the mix. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I did, and then we can go ahead and wrap it up. So let me show you guys. So I put motion tinted lights up under the cabinets. Let's see. Boom, boom. And here is the refrigerator. Here is that fruit that y'all didn't get to watch me cut all the way through. And now let's head over to the pantry. Let's take a final look at that. Bow! I literally love these lights for the pantry. It just gives it such a luxury feel. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up today's vlog. I'm about to wash the dishes, or y'all know I ain't about to wash them. I'm about to put them in the dishwasher. But either way, they get washed. So that's what I'm about to be up to. I'm gonna hit you guys back in the next video. XOXO, and I ain't ashamed.